Okay, today we are going to do an experiment of 9-layer density. It goes from 50 to 500
What unit?
in milliliters.
So what are you going to do? How are you going to show the different densities?
How are we going to show? We are going to use different items like lamp oil, alcohol, vegetable oil, water, dish soap, whole milk, maple syrup, corn syrup, and honey.
So they won't mix because
of the density level.
Okay, so the first one you put in is okay, you can
good old honey.
Okay, so take a while to pour that in, right?
They don't stay on the edge.
That's good. You got to go straight down to the bottom, Alex. That's good.
Should I put it up to the 50 mark?
Well, let it empty out, yeah. So you'll have a nice layer at the bottom there.
Slowly dripping, but take your time.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Can you twist it up without getting it all over? There you go. Wait till it drips. There you go. Perfect. What's the next one on there?
Next thing is alcohol, but we don't.
No, from the bottom up, Alex.
Honey. Oh, honey, corn syrup. Okay. Now we've done the honey. Now we're gonna put in corn syrup.
Carefully, right?
Carefully, though.
So don't want to disturb the layers, right?
Must not disturb the layers. Okay, now we are going to put in milk. Put it in the
turkey paste. So you got to squeeze the bulb first before you put it in.
Like so.
Okay. And put it along the inside wall of the...
Like so?
Inside wall. Lean that against the tip against the inside wall.
Like that?
Yeah. So it runs down the side. You don't do slowly. Slowly. See how it's going gently, forming the layer, right? Is that enough?
Almost there, almost there.
Good. That's enough. That's a big enough layer, Alex, okay? You ready for the next thing?
Now we are ready for the next thing,
which
is dish soap.
Okay. What's the next step?
Now we're going to put in some dish soap, and I like to use Dawn.
Okay. Gently down the side, right? There you go, just like that.
Not disturb the flavors.
Just like that.
Bless you. If you're wondering why I said bless you, it's because my cat just sneezed.
That's what you get for homeschooling. You get the cat sneezing in the background, huh?
Now the milk's going up with it.
Well, it's going to probably separate back out again. Don't do too hard. See, it's too hard. You're getting the milk on top. Okay, that's pretty good. I think you're done. I think that's enough blue.
No, you gotta get it above.
Yeah, just
now
like
it's rising up.
The blue should come above it.
Okay.
Okay, so that's good.
I think that is good. Now we just need water with food coloring in, and I will pick the food color. Alright, now we have our water and food dye, which is red. Get the
Turkey baster.
turkey baster.
Make it go slower down the side now. Especially at the beginning, it's got to go real slow. Gently. I see you going through some of the layers.
Alrighty.
You want some more in there? Make that bread a little bigger?
Yeah, let's make it up to 300.
Okay, don't tip that upside down. Hold it straight up and down, the tube. The turkey baster. Okay, what's the next step?
The next step we need to get is vegetable oil.
Okay. Now what do you do?
Now we have to put in vegetable oil.
Okay, same thing. Slowly, very slow at the beginning, down the side.
Oh my god.
How's that coming out?
Amazing.
That's good. You don't have to use the whole thing. What's the next one?
Impressive. Alcohol.
Go.
Okay, so now we are up to our last layer of the density layer, and it is rubbing alcohol, and it is really strong. It's already making me cry. I'm not joking.
And what did you do to it?
We used food coloring. We used red and blue to make this purplish color.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we made it to the 400 mark.
So now what do we have?
We have honey. We have... I forgot what
No, first
we
you
got
have maple
honey, corn syrup,
Right.
maple syrup, whole milk, dish soap, water, vegetable oil, alcohol, and...
Well, we didn't have the lamp oil.
We didn't have the lamp oil,
we have 8
so...
layers.
We have 8 layers, but we'll get a 9th.
So why do they stay separate?
Because you have to do it gently.
Well, but why don't
Together.
they just mix when you leave them?
Because they're on top of each other.
Why do they stay on top of each other? What is
Because
the principle?
the
of
density is
the density.
different.
So which is the highest density? The thing at the bottom.
Honey, of course.
And what has the lowest density? Right. And so if we were to put something in there and it floated between 2 layers, what could we tell? That's what?
It's the same density
As the layer that it's in, right?
Uh,
Okay. So what do you rate this experiment, Alex?
1 through 10? I gotta say a 10. Looks pretty cool.
Any other comments to make?
Well, I hope you liked this. Comment below, and remember,
You gotta look at the
science
camera.
is fun.